And we are live. We are live. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new, right now at this moment, we are live. Okay, we are live. Market just opened, and we just made our watch list. And right now, we are trading here with our watch list here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and organize this just a little bit here before I start trading. I have a couple on watch that I want to keep. So we have our daily watch list made here. We have MUDs, IOVA, DLPN, MTSL, EBET. We have Dell on watch. We have ARDX, PLBY, MUDs. So far, that's what we got, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and turn off our pre-market, okay? Because that's how we trade. We find out the support levels pre-market, and then we go ahead and execute with our game plan. I went ahead and chat with members, let them know that, hey guys, this is what we're doing, and you know, just execute on the plan. All right. So if you guys do watch this live stream later, make sure you watch it till the end. I'm going to show you how to trade with a $500 account. Okay. $500 account. We're going to show you exactly what we're talking about here. Just a $500 account. Okay. I trade with E-Trade. I trade with E-Trade. But I'm going to use Webull for this prime example, because Webull is #1 user-friendly app for traders that want to get into the market. And you know, I highly recommend it if you're wanting to trade. This is something that I would highly recommend. Now, don't get confused what I'm about to do. This is something that I usually do. I do 4 grid. I have a 5-minute chart, a 15-minute chart, a 30-minute chart, and then a daily chart. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and start with DLPN. DLPN. I got my coffee here, guys. So, so just don't mind me, you know. Don't mind me. All right. So after a couple times when you use the platform, it'll automatically save to the 4 grid if you wanted to, and then it'll keep your time frames as well. So just keep that in mind whenever you wanted to, you know, trade with this platform. I'll have the link down there in the description down below, so that way you guys can go ahead and check it out. And usually I am used to trading with 2 screens, so this may be a little messy today. So we're gonna do 5-minute here, 15-minute here. Okay. We have clear resistance right here at this level at 956. We want to see if we can break that for DLPN. I don't know why Dell is still here. DLPN. There we go. Okay. Yeah, everything looks solid in order. PLBY. It doesn't save it. Damn it. Okay. I'm gonna have to do the whole thing. It's ridiculous. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and check through my phone, make sure everything looks good. We are live. Cool. Awesome. All right. Cool. Get some lighting in here. Make sure everything on the stream looks good. Let me use our Sony cam. All right, guys. We are in the clear. We're in the clear now. All right, so don't get confused. Again, like I said, don't get confused on my screen. This is something I teach with my members. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and join on the community platform that I have on the link down below. Go ahead and message me. I do one-on-one consultations with you guys as well, if you guys are interested. These are some pre-market gappers that I was looking pre-market wise. That is why I have them on my watch list. And that is why, you know, I have them here as part of my grid. So I'm just making sure, I'm just trying to see which one has the most lowest pullback. So like Dell is primed for a run today, maybe, possibly. And I'm gonna go ahead and message all the members in my Discord to let them know that we are live on the live stream. Let everybody know. And I'm gonna go ahead and share, copy link. In case you wanted to join. Paste. Boom. Link. Awesome. Let's talk about Doge. Let's talk about Doge. Man, what a crazy run. I mean, seriously, man. Like, Doge? Are you kidding me? Out of everything, what, 26 cents? It's insane, man. 26 cents. I'm just surprised how Doge made an insane move overnight yesterday. And, you know, my buddies, I mean, look, me personally, I feel like I am the traditional trader. And so, you know, when it comes down to like following these trends and stuff like that and whatnot, it's just like, I don't know, man. Like, I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable chasing. And, you know, it's just, it doesn't feel right for me to be in Doge because I just feel like so many people will lose money, especially what's going on with the markets right now. But I completely understand, you know, I completely understand because, I mean, look, markets are down. U.S. stock exchange is down. Really choppy markets, and I think people are turning into crypto. You know, they're turning to crypto to hedge, to, you know, make profit because, you know, nothing's popping in the U.S. markets. You know, SPY continues to go up higher and higher. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. It makes no sense at all. So, you know, I totally understand why, you know, things are not really working out with the U.S. markets, and people are turning into crypto. So yeah, I mean, makes sense, right? What, Doge was at 26 cents, I think, the last time I heard. I don't know where it's at right now, but you know, I just find it super crazy because my friends made a $400 investment and they turned it into a $1,200 investment, and I was just like, wow, like that's insane, man. Like, how the hell? But you know, that is the power of chasing, and that is the power of hype, and that is the power of Doge. Yeah, so I've been awake since 4 a.m. and you know, creating the watch list, making sure that, you know, everything is in order. Audio was good for the live stream. I touched 50 cents. Oh my God, Doge is at 50 cents. It's crazy, man. Oh my God, that is crazy. I can imagine people just making so much bank. Let me see my friend's Snapchat, man. Fucking crazy. 50 cents, bro. I'm not chasing that. I'm fucking good off that shit. Let me see. Let me message him. Hey, bro, you rich? That's crazy. All right, guys. So I like PLBY here. Enough of the joking. Let's go get down to business here. PLBY is holding the trade line, okay? Holding the trade line. I want to see it hold on that 5-minute chart to see if it's true support. If it does break below that on the 50-day, I want to see it hold. I might go long on this one here. I want to look for a small cap, but I mean, lately we don't have anything from small caps. We don't get anything in return, but PLBY is definitely on my watch right now. I like how it bounces off the trade line. It does not break below. It keeps, you know, staying at support at 41.98. Oh God, my bad. Yeah. So 41.98 is that its true support, holding that 9 EMA. I think I will go long on this. You know, I want to see it pick up with some volume because we're not getting enough volume here. If we do get enough volume, I will go ahead and go long on that position. However, I want to look for a great setup, you know, great A+ setup. I mean, you know, I like Dell, I like PLBYs. Lately, these large caps, you know, we don't have much from these small caps. So, wow, my battery just died. It's all good. Just want to make sure the lighting is good. Yep, it's dead. So, we're going to go ahead and switch to our iMac video. All right, that's better. That's better. Okay. Now, okay, that's good. All right, so don't worry about that. Go ahead and turn this off here. All right, so we're looking at MTSL. MTSL, PLBY, I mean, like I said earlier, it's holding that trade line. You know, it's holding that trade line. I want to see it, you know, finish this candle with the 5-minute chart. I want to see it finish, you know, closing out this candle. And then in the next 5 minutes on the next candle, I want to see trade line start to curl back up and see if we can get that trade line VWAP, because VWAP is right here, crossover, and then I'll go long on some shares. I mean, this is a good setup here. This is really good. I like it. I just think that, you know, I want to see it hold support, and if it does, then I'll go long on some shares. Nothing is holding up right now. Nothing's holding up. MTSL, I mean, low pressure, low volume, you know, selling, but I don't know. I don't like the volume. 2.8. 2.4. And that's million. PLBY. Okay, so I'm gonna keep PLBY and MTSL on watch here. Yeah, but I'm liking MTSL right now, so I'm probably gonna go long pretty soon. Gonna make sure that I'm watching it here on my phone on the PLBY. Want to make sure it holds. And sometimes, guys, you can go ahead and use that 3-minute chart instead of the 5. But I do not recommend using 1-minute charts at all. They will not give you the most accurate reading. And then also your pre-market data should be turned off because it will not look like mine. Okay, your pre-market data should be turned off. You want to make sure that it's off first. Because, you know, if you have your pre-market data turned on, you're going to get your indicators all like messed up, and you're not going to be able to have the readings that I get, such as this. You know, see how the trade line and the VWAP, they're trying to catch up to each other. For example, if I okay, yeah. So here it is, settings. So if I, for example, turned on show extended hours, see how it's changed? You see that? Turn that off. That's the most accurate, okay? You want to make sure that pre-market data is turned off, okay? So yeah, I'm not seeing anything that I like here, guys. I like PLBY though. I mean, PLBY and MTSL, top 2 for me. I like how, you know, it's holding the trade line. It's shown that it has support right here at the trade line. It shows that, you know, volume may be picking back up. You know, we see increasing volume, selling pressure, and then we could probably see another buying pressure here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go long once the trade line catches up with VWAP, so that way I don't miss out on the move to break the high of the day. And then also I'm gonna go with MTSL. I want to see it catch up with trade line with increasing volume. I'm not gonna go long yet. I'm gonna wait till the candle hits trade line, or trade line catches up here and meets VWAP. And then, yeah, so that's the game plan for right now. I just missed the move. My bad, guys. So I'm gonna go long right here at 42.90, 42.95. That's a good area of some support from VWAP. 42.90, and I'm gonna go with a small position of 40%. So that's like 5 shares. So it's not that much. So yeah, we have a buy limit at 42.93, 42.95. That's a good area for a buying zone because we have VWAP around that area. And then also with trade line catching up, if volume does not increase, if I miss the move, it's okay. I'm fine because I can always, if the stock is truly strong, you know, I will catch the move again. However, you know, if I do get long here, you know, the plan, you know, plan is good. But I did nail that call. I did let you know. I did let you guys know that, you know, if trade line catches up with VWAP, we go ahead and go long, and then see if we can go ahead and catch the move to break the high of the day. Looks like we did not yet. We're still waiting for that candle to close. I don't think we're gonna go ahead and break the high of the day. Let's go ahead and check on MTSL just to make sure. MTSL as well, looking like the trade line's trying to catch up here. We might see a little bit more consolidation on this stock, and then once the trade line catches up, we're gonna go ahead and gut long so that way we can break VWAP. But if volume increases right now, we could see it break VWAP with the trade line crossover. Let's go ahead and go back to PLBY. PLBY still trying to break the high, getting rejected at the high of the day, 44.77. So we'll see here. We'll see right now. We'll see. Like I said, guys, I like how the trade line is holding on the stock. It does not break below. Has true support right here at 41.95, 41.98. And you know, I just like how, you know, the stock really truly shows support. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and place my bid at 43.20 area. Okay, 43.20 area at VWAP. I want to see it consolidate and bounce off VWAP, and then maybe we can catch some additional volume. Okay, see how that goes. Yeah, so guys, the goal, damn, 43 cents, that's crazy, Doge. So guys, the goal for this $500 account, okay, the goal for the $500 account is because I want to show you guys exactly the results. We're gonna do these things called Livestream Fridays. Every Friday, I'm gonna go ahead and post you or upload the result of the $500 account. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about when, you know, if you show that you have strict risk management, if you have good risk management and you know how to trade, you can turn 500 bucks into $1,000, 1,000 bucks into 3,000 bucks, and so on and so on. We're gonna do this for the whole year, starting today, April 16th, 2021. We're gonna go all the way down to April of 2022, and we're gonna show you the results of what we're talking about. MTSL looking like we're gonna catch up with VWAP, consolidating still. If we break above VWAP, we'll probably go long on that. PLBY still not giving me that bid. Stock is really strong, so we're doing low consolidation on that pullback. I think, guys, we're gonna pop right here. We're gonna pop right after this low volume pullback. We're gonna pop right back up, break the high of the day, and maybe consolidate a bit. I don't think we'll break the trend line because it showed that, you know, it showed strong potential of support here for the previous day. So, I mean, I want to go long here at this VWAP. So we're gonna see here pretty soon. Guys, and if you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. We do live trading on Fridays now, so we're gonna do live trading on Fridays. Maybe Mondays and Tuesdays we'll upload a new video. And then also started a TikTok challenge, so that way we can do a $500 account. I'll post that on the link as well, so you guys can follow every day. And I talk about the stocks that I'm looking at every single day. And you guys can go ahead and follow the $500 account challenge. And also Livestream Fridays, so don't miss out on Fridays. Mondays and Tuesdays, maybe we'll start doing some recaps or something like that. But we'll try to keep this channel interesting here. Let's see here. Did I get filled? Nope, not yet. Not yet. Okay. I'm being patient. I'm being very patient. The thing about stocks is like you have to be very patient on your entry, and also on your exit. You have to be very patient. So I want to see it bounce off the VWAP right here. Maybe I can get a piece of it right here at 43.27, 43.26. And if I do grab a piece, I'll be happy with it. I'll be happy with it. MTSL. Let's go ahead and check here. Yep, still consolidating. That is why I did not chase right off that buy. Dell looking like a prime, like it's priming up. EBET looking like a bounce zone off the trade line, looking like it's going to bounce and break above VWAP again. DLPN not looking so good, so I'm going to go ahead and move it to the top. I like to keep my the ones I'm watching at the very bottom right here. It's like, I don't know, it's more easier. So I'm going to go move the PLBY down here and MTSL. Keep these two real close. I didn't get filled. Not yet. Yep, there we go. Yeah, we're looking at large caps right now, guys, because honestly, small caps are dead. Small caps are dead. The SPY is going high. Oh, it's dumping today. Interesting. Very interesting. Could get some puts, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not stupid. Can't fight the feds. Yeah, guys, I'm being very patient here. I mean, look, with this low volume, guys, I think that we can go back to VWAP with this low volume. I mean, I see it increasing with some consolidation, low volume pullback. I mean, I think we can go back to VWAP. We'll find out right now. Okay, all right, so this is getting boring. Come on, dude. See what I tell you? What I tell you? Huh? What I tell you? Oh man. Yeah, trade line VWAP crossover. We got the trade line. We got the VWAP. We cross over. We break the new high of the day. If we get increasing volume, you know what? I'm gonna raise my bid just a little bit more to get that pullback. To see if we can go ahead and grab a little piece of it. We're in because I don't want to miss the move. I don't want to miss the move because I mean, look at the volume. The volume is increasing. Trade line catching up to VWAP. Consolidation here. I grabbed my bid at 5 shares, 43.91. I like this. I like how the stock is moving. Bull flag setting up for me. We got a flag pennant, so I'm gonna go ahead and search. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up right here. PBLY, my bad. Okay. Bull flag setting up right here. I'm up on the trade. So I should be gonna show you my positions. Yeah, here you go. Okay, you can see right here on this right side of my screen, right here. Yeah, I'm up on the position, but I'm not looking at my P&L, so let's not look at the P&L, okay? we're gonna focus. Okay, we're gonna focus on the position. We're gonna focus on the setup. We're gonna focus on the volume. We're not focusing on the P&L. My stop loss is gonna be below trade line because I want to see it. If it breaks below trade line, it will show that it's weak. If it does not break below trade line, it shows me that it has support. So if it breaks below trade line, I want to give it some slack. So 43.05, which is a couple cents down below, and I got stopped out. Yeah, let's see. I want to see if it holds that trade line on that candle. If it does, great. If it doesn't, then oh well. See, I would trade this 100 times. I would trade this 100 times. Yeah, it's definitely, yeah, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and stop out. I mean, it's bouncing off support here, but I'm gonna stop out. I'm not liking the nasty big red candle. I'm gonna go ahead and stop out of this position. Close, sell. Okay, there, closed out. Okay, first loser of the day. And then just to remind you guys on the $500 account challenge, this past week I made 40 bucks on the $500 account challenge. Right now I'm down, let's see here. Let's see, hold on. So I lost $6.87 on that trade. Not bad, you know, low risk, low, and like I said, that is why I wanted to go at a small position, 5 shares, very small position. I did not go full size. I still have enough to live. I still have enough to live for another day, as in, like they say, you know, trade another day, live to trade another day. So we're gonna look for another setup right now. We're gonna look for another setup. Don't worry, we are fine on that trade. So first loser of the day, PLBY. I mean, we're gonna see how it trades out. Got stopped out because it broke below trade line. I mean, look at it right here. You know, I mean, PLBY looking like it's gonna break down even further because it's not even breaking above trade line on that second candle. So we're gonna see some consolidation down here. I mean, this looks like a double top to me, but you know, I mean, it looked like a bull flag setup with this increasing volume. Then we get the selling pressure. So we'll look for our next setup here. We're gonna look for our next setup. I mean, Dell was a really nice setup as well. I mean, I was actually looking at Dell this morning, and you know, to think about how, you know, that setup was just nice. I would trade that 100 times as well. Broke the previous high. Now it made a new high. IOVA not looking good. Nothing's looking good. I may just go short on some things here. Mud's not looking good. EBT. I would grab some calls right here at this 50-day moving average. Buy some calls. TSL, Dell making a new high. PLBY not showing some strength, low volume. MTSL as well. There's nothing right now, guys. Nothing right now. So look, let's talk about some things right now. Let's talk about some things right now. Meanwhile, something sets up for me. Let's talk about some things. So, what indicators are you supposed to use? Well, indicators that you're supposed to use. Look, technically, the way we trade here at Club Finesse, we use a couple indicators depending on the stock. Okay, depending on what setup we're getting. If we're getting a clear, concise setup, we're not using oscillators such as RSI, ADL, MACD. MACD would be something we use if we don't get a clear, concise move on the stock. It is good to have, but the less is more. Have you ever heard of that? If you heard of less is more, I'm going to go ahead and show you what that means exactly. Less is more. So, I mean, look, technically what I use, and you don't have to trade how I trade, okay? Everyone has a different style of trading. There's people that scalp stocks. There's people that, do sniper trading. They do swing trading. They do monthly trading. However you trade, this is something to know. It's something good to kind of expand your mind on some stuff. So I use VWAP. EMAs I use 50, 100, and 200. Okay, I use previous support and resistance levels. I read volume, which is actually the most important. Which is the most important one. Trade line, okay, which is EMA 9 or 8. Doesn't matter which one, but it's the same. But yeah, let's go back to volume. Volume here is actually the most important one to read, because without volume, guys, you're not going to get any moves from a stock. Okay, without any volume, you're not going to get any moves from a stock, and volume is the number one important indicator to read, because if you are actually in a bull flag pennant and there's low volume, guess what? It's going to happen to you like it happened to me right now, and that's a good example of what I was trying to show you guys. Now, Fibonacci retracement levels. That is something for the advanced traders, but let's go ahead and just recap this one here. Fibonacci retracement levels are good to use when a stock makes a major gap up or gap down. It is a good indicator to read. For example, let's see here, this is the Fibonacci retracement level. You usually draw it from the high of the day, from the previous low of the closing, okay, of yesterday's close. You draw it all the way to the high of the day of the first pullback, okay? So the first pullback, you would draw it here. So this is the first pullback. You draw your first Fibonacci here, and then whenever the stock makes a new high and then pulls back, that's going to be your second Fibonacci retracement zone. So you're going to go ahead and redraw your fibs. Fibs is for short for Fibonacci. And then draw it here. Anytime it's at 23.6, it is a bullish zone. 38.2, still bullish. However, it needs to pick up volume. 50 is kind of like a bounce zone. 61.8 is a sympathy play, maybe you can catch a small amount of volume, and then 78.6 bearish and 100% totally bearish. So, just a quick little recap. I have all of the courses in my website coming out in the next couple months. But yeah, this is a quick lesson. This is a free education course that I'm giving you guys right now. And wow, look at Dell. Nice move, nice move. I like MTSL here. I like MTSL. I just don't want the volume. I don't want the volume to decrease. I want the volume to increase. Let's go back on PLBY. Yeah, see what I told you guys? Broke below trade line. Now it's looking for more further downside. And we're gonna catch a winning trade right now. I got a feeling. So no worries on that. Dell, what a move. It's gonna make high. It's gonna make a new high. Because look at the trade line VWAP crossover. It's not way too overextended. The volume, it needs to be there, but it's gonna make a new high. SPY, let's see. SPY, I told you guys, grab some calls. Grab some calls here on the 50-day moving average, and we're making a new high, trying to break VWAP and maybe make a new high. Who knows? EBET, not so good. RDLX, nope. DLPN, nothing looking good at all, guys. I mean, this MTSL is just showing that it has strength, but I don't like it. I don't like the volume. So I'm sitting on my hands right now. I'm sitting on my hands. Nothing for right now. Nothing right now. Trying to redraw my fibs. Yeah. So going back to the courses. Okay. Going back to the courses. Those are the main indicators that you need to learn. Okay. Those are the main indicators that you need to learn when you're trying to trade. Technically, in order to become a excellent trader, a great trader, a profitable trader, you need to have, that skill. Okay, you need to have that skill to identify grade A plus setups in a stock that has a high probability. And I'm just reading based off of here. Having just one buy signal from one indicator is not enough for correct technical analysis. So you need to have maybe a couple of indicators showing you the same thing. Just make sure that you're not reading too much indicators. Like I said, less is more. So, you don't need all these oscillators. All you need to learn is how to read VWAP, 1 EMA or 2, previous support and resistance levels, and volume, and you're set. That is how you do that. But to be a sniper trader, obviously, reading a bunch of indicators gives you the probability of becoming profitable on that trade. Okay, you have to probably be able to read multiple buying signals in order to capitalize from your technical analysis. Okay, so I'm right now just like sitting on my hands. I don't see anything right now. I like Dell, but Dell, I'm not going to chase this. I'm not going to chase Dell. If Dell comes back to trade line VWAP, around this area, around this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, then yeah, I'll buy some shares. But I mean, this is something that it's a running up buying pressure, and I'm not going to chase that, because if you're caught up at the top, guess what? Back down. Exactly. So I'm going to go ahead and post the ones I like right now at the bottom. Okay, so IOVA, potential bounce. Dell, I like Dell. I like PLBI finally bouncing back from the 100-day moving average, but I'm not going to play that. MTSL, I'm going to keep that one on watch like a hawk in case you see some volume coming in. Look at this. Trade line is holding, but we got to see some volume. We got to see some volume here. Let's go ahead and put that on the 15-minute chart. QQQ, VIX. Look guys, if you guys are a new trader or wanting to learn how to trade, understand what VIX, VXX, UVXY, QQQ, and SPY is, okay? Those are going to be the main. You can use these ETFs, and these vehicles as indicators for the market. Okay, if you see tech going up, which is QQQ, look, if you look at QQQ and you look at tech stocks like, for example, Tesla. Okay, Tesla is a tech stock. You can see it going up. So just keep that in watch. And then also, if you want to create watch lists, Webull is actually a great platform to use that as. I have a couple stocks here, watch lists that I like to keep. For example, tech stocks, pot stocks, got a bunch of pot stocks, gold stocks, so on and so on. And then this is my daily watch list. I update it every single day, make sure that, everything is good. MTSL looking good here. I like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a sniper trade. What we're gonna do by that, I mean we're gonna line up our Fibonacci retracement level from the high of the day, and we're gonna see, we're at the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Trade line trying to catch up with VWAP, and if VWAP trade line catches makes a trade line crossover to VWAP, probably catch a couple trades there or a couple shares there. So just make sure you keep that one on watch here. I mean, I just don't like the volume. Like I said, I don't like the volume at all. But I'm watching this like a hawk. I'm making sure that everything is, lining up properly. I don't like the volume, guys. That's crazy. Dell finally broke down below. It's nothing, man. Days like this is hard. Days like this is hard for a trader because, you're used to seeing all kinds of small caps gapping up 15%, 18%. And to see maybe one gapper, during a market, run up on the SPY, it's tough. It's really tough. For example, in TSL, the only gapper that I really liked, and it was up, and I mean, we can't get initial moves. We can't get any follow through with the stock. So yeah, right here we see some increasing volume. We're gonna see a trade line crossover with VWAP. We're trying to see right here on this last candle to see if we can break VWAP, and then we'll probably grab some shares at 490, 495, but I don't know. We'll see right now on this last bounce zone right here. Yeah, this market is really tough, and I mean, in this moment, you guys got to learn how to hedge, and by hedging, I just mean like creating a portfolio where you can diversify during a market, so you can profit from one sector versus just in general in one sector. You can profit off of different sectors, like in gold, tech, infrastructure, natural gas, oil, many other things. I don't recommend SPACs right now. SPACs are not profitable. And I'm just double checking on the stock here real quick. Yeah, 970. We'll see right now. See, I'm being patient. There is traders where, they want to make a quick move in the morning and then go back to work, whatever. I know it's hard. It's hard, and I understand that. And that's something you got to learn how to swing trade. If you're gonna do that, you got to get into a stock that gives you a good position, so that way the next day it makes a run up and you can go ahead and profit from that. So we're gonna see right here at TSL next couple minutes here. I mean, I just don't like the volume. Look at the volume. So whenever you can't read, this is the perfect moment to check ADL, and then MACD. This is a good chance to good time to check MACD, ADL, and then yeah. Key is VWAP, okay? Key is the VWAP. If we can break VWAP, great. 25 shares. Okay, 490. I want to see a break view up. This is a nasty trade. I don't like it. You know, I don't like it. It's not breaking view up. Low volume. Consolidating. Can't break. I already know the end result to it. But we'll see. Yeah, see, there you go. There's your consolidation point. It's trying to hold a 38.2 fib. Not a good move. Not a good move. See, good thing I didn't hop in that, because if I did, that would be my second loser of the day. And we're trying to see if it holds that trade line and that 38.2 fib. I mean, if it holds, we could see some volume pouring in, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, now let's keep looking. There's nothing. There's nothing here. Let's keep looking here. PLBY, some more consolidation. Terrible. Terrible today. Interesting. Okay. Well, it's Friday. We have lottos. We can go with the small position on this. On this option here. Placed a bid for 54 cents. Actually, let me fix that if I can. $0.70 for this bid? Are you kidding me? Freaking ridiculous. There you go. Okay, I placed a bid for an option at 60 cents for today's expiration at 417 strike. I want to see consolidate right here. Maybe if we can get a consolidation point right here, but man, nothing. I can't land a single trade today. Can't land a single trade. We'll see right now. This is frustrating, guys. Frustrating. Very frustrating. We talked to the group chat today. Can't land a single trade. Okay, let's see here. That's terrible. He pulled out. Damn, he pulled out. All bad. Man, dude, this is frustrating. Dell making another move. It's tech, so obviously it's gonna make a move because QQQ is going up, consolidating on the trade line, and then probably another high to break. SPY, I'm gonna see SPY here, consolidating as well. I'm gonna see if I can get a bid at 60 cents. Let's see where the bids are at. They're at 66. 66 cents. Bid is 65, so fuck, I don't want to chase this. I don't want to chase this. MTSL looks like it's bouncing again. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Let's see right now, we'll see. MTSL looking like a bounce zone right here. I'm gonna grab some shares. It looks like it's picking up. I'm gonna go with a small position though, because that's how, you know, if it's a low probability, I'm gonna go with a small position in an MTSL, because I don't want to get caught at the falling knife and shit. So we're just gonna do a couple shares. Do 12 shares. That's about, oh shoot, 485. Place the order. Buy. You know what? This is a good time to make some hotkeys. And if you don't know what hotkeys are pretty much when you push like spacebar and delete, and you know you can give me 485. Spacebar and delete, and it executes an order for you, and you don't have to worry about, you know, like clicking a lot. Let's see. Let's see if it catches my bid. Yeah, I want 485. I don't want 4. There we go. 485. We're long on this position. 485 MTSL. Looking to see if we can get some volume increasing. It's holding the trade line. Looking to see if we can break VWAP and then making a new high to break this $5.05 area and see if we can break that. If we break that, we can go ahead and break the new high of the day, 567. So I went ahead and grabbed some shares. I'll be adding to my position a little bit more if we break above VWAP. If we break above VWAP, I'm going to add a little bit more to my position. I'm up on the trade. I'm going to go ahead and wait to see if we can get above VWAP. If we don't get above VWAP, it's going to show me that this stock is not, you know, accepting the volume. So it's going to reject. And if it rejects, I will stop out below trade line. If it breaks below trade line, which is at 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, I'm going to go ahead and stop out completely out of that trade. But I do like, you know, it's picking up. You know, it's picking up the volume. You know, it's picking up. So what we're going to see here on this candle, if it closes above VWAP, I'm going to be happy with that. Probably like my only winning trade, maybe. I'm going to add through 495. If 495 gets there, I'm going to add to there. 495, okay, 495. We're going to add another 10 shares. 495. $4.95. Looks like volume is trying to pick up here. Going to place the order here at 495. 491. Added a couple more shares at 491. I'm gonna wait to see if it breaks above VWAP. Like I said, if it does not break above VWAP, makes its way down to trade line, I'm gonna go ahead and stop out of the position. But it looks like volume is starting to increase on this stock here, MTSL. Let's look back at SPY. Did I just get filled on that position? I hope I did not. I did. Oh my god, terrible. Yeah, so I'm also on SPY call options for today's expiration at 417 at 60 cents. So we're up on that trade as well. We're going to see if we can go ahead and bounce off VWAP and trade line. If it does not bounce off of that zone, I'm going to go ahead and stop out of that position as well. So I'm going to keep these two on watch as well, MTSL and SPY. Okay, MTSL and SPY. I'm going to keep SPY on my phone just so I can have another, chart. And then we're going to go ahead and check here for MTSL. Okay. We're going to close this so we don't shake. And we're going to go ahead and see how we're doing. And like I said, I don't like this stock. I don't like it. This is very risky. It's high risk, high reward. So if I break above VWAP, 493 area, 495, if I do break above that, we could see some potential reward on this stock. And then SPY looking like it's trying to hold trade line, not really doing a good job. So we'll see right now. It's ridiculous. Everyone takes an L though. I'm not touching my E-Trade account. I'm only doing Webull just for funsies during this market environment. On E-Trade, I do a lot of my investments. Webull, this $500 account challenge, I will be doing it during this time because it's low risk. It's low risk. I'm still in the trade. I will stop at a SPY if it gets below 416.16. That is a potential area of support. 416.16. I'm going to go ahead and stop out. We're making our way above VWAP. Okay, volume is starting to increase on MTSL. And looks like we're going to go ahead and break the initial VWAP area. Not bad. Not bad. We're going to go ahead and take profits right here. Take profits. So I took some profits right here on my phone on MTSL. Okay. Took some profits. Still holding a very small piece. Like I said, I mean the volume is not there. The volume is not there at all. So I'm gonna hold on just a very small piece on this MTSL. Very small piece. And we're gonna check on SPY right now, just to see how we're doing. SPY looking like it's bouncing back up again. The decay on my option is today's expiration. The reason why I chose today's expiration, I mean, SPY has been giving you lately these moves where it just, runs back up again. And I'm going to go with the same day expiration. I'm not going to go ahead and, choose something that expires within the next 2 weeks. I'm going to stop out here. I'm going to stop out pretty soon. Yep, I'm out of this trade. Come on, just break below so I can get out. See, look, the good thing is I took profits here, okay? Took profits at 505, like I said, previous resistance at 505. So, I mean, I took profits there, you know, major bulk of my position. I don't know why it still says that, but I took profits on that 505, and then I will be going to take away a small piece if we break below that 38.2 fib, 460. On the other hand, SPY looking like it's not going through with what I planned. Yeah, not looking so good here. Yeah, this market environment is just crazy. Dell, another high. Tech, looks like tech is going up right now. Tech is going up. No small caps, just tech, all tech. Dell making a new high. MTSL bouncing off 38.2. SPY breaking lower. This is really bad, really terrible. Alright guys, we are going to go ahead and end this live stream. It looks like we're going to take an L today. We're going to take an L. We're going to take an L. We're going to take this L today, proud. And then next week we're going to come back stronger on Friday. And then I'm going to go ahead and update you every Friday on that $500 account challenge. And then we're going to go ahead and see what the result is at the end of the $500 account challenge. Like I said, I'm going to do this every single for the whole year, and we're going to find out, you know, exactly what the end result is of a $500 account challenge with small positions, small risk management. I'm sorry, with good risk management, and then we're gonna find out. But yeah, that concludes today's live stream, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Like I said, like the setups that we went over, I would trade those 100 times. 100 times with some volume for sure. I would trade that 100 times. This Dell made that move where I said if it makes back to 38.2 or 23.6 fib, I would buy some shares, and yeah, I would. And I missed a couple of runners today. So I missed Dell as a runner. I missed I don't know what else did I miss. DLPN was no PLBY. It was an L. That was an L. So 3 major losers: SPY, PLBY, and MTSL. So yeah, not much action. You know, not much action going on today, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and close the live stream as of today, and then we're gonna go ahead and go over with a recap on the rest of the week. Maybe we're gonna go ahead and post a recap with some technical analysis lessons within the next couple of days. I know you guys have been waiting on that, so we're gonna go ahead and close that live stream. Like I said, and then also, guys, if you guys need any one-on-one consultations, link is down below in the description as well. And then also, if you guys need if you guys want to join a community of day traders, we also have the link down there as well. So that way you guys can go ahead and join with us and learn how to profit, learn how to trade, get some grade A plus setups, get a watch list every single day. And then also, yeah, if you guys want to use this charting software, link is down below as well, guys. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. You guys take care, stay safe, and we're gonna go ahead and enjoy this L for the weekend, guys. And then on Monday, game plan. All right, that's all we're gonna do, just game plan. All right, so take care, guys. Have a good one. Laters.